Hi, I'm Carol Haycox. I'm going to show you how I use the oak leaf cutters. Nice set by FMM. I've got a little brown paste here. I'll just cut one petal out, one leaf out for you to show. Pick it up. As I pick this, fingers in and move. Onto this forming pad, and you can vein then with your chosen veiner, like so. I turn it over, and now I'm just barely going to pick at the edge to give it a little bit of movement. And then if you're going to wire these, this is the time to wire. You put it onto your hand and bring the wire through. I have a wire on my table normally, but just at this moment, onto the finger, put it right to the edge of your finger, dip into your glue and then twist, and always twist in. If you twist in, it invariably stays. Pick up the paste and not the wire, and now you're ready. I've then wired these together and put a little collar on them and so on, as you can see. And if you wanted to make just a quick acorn, I take a piece of paste and I really make a tiny little cup. Do your ball, do your finger on it like so. Then use this ball tool, open this up. Now twist one against the other, and as you twist, the edges of your paste is getting thinner, like so. And your choice, you can wire this part or you can wire the next part, whichever one, but twist in like so. That would go in. And then I've just got a little brown piece, and that is so simple because you literally just roll, roll, and when you want to get that shape, do 2 fingers like so, and it will give you that ovally shape to it, and that would sit inside here to make a little acorn. And if you wanted, you can use this tool to just give it that little piece of texture onto it to make it look a bit more realistic, and then that would pop on with your leaves. So hope that's helpful.